Hello guys and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video I want to make a video about this question that keeps roaming around the cryptocurrency community for months now, and really we can't just not talk about it. Okay, is it Bitcoin dead? That question, is Bitcoin dead, or is Ethereum dead, or is the cryptocurrency market dead, or are altcoins dead? Okay, this thing happened after this December hype that happened like months ago. Okay, and we're now seeing a recovery of all that bubble that happened, but still people are still saying that Bitcoin is dead, and they keep repeating that phrase. But let me tell you something, Bitcoin isn't dead, Bitcoin is sick. Okay, sickness comes for a period of time. Okay, and when sickness comes, actually it takes a period of time and doesn't take forever. Okay, it might take months, okay, or like fractionally days actually when people get sick. But we're talking about a market, we're not talking about people right now. Okay, Bitcoin is sick, and it was sick before and it will be sick in the future. And how would I mean with sick? Okay, now when you talk about Bitcoin is dead, you mean that there's no chance, there's zero probability that Bitcoin can come back. That's what you're meaning when you say it's dead. When a market is dead, that means there's no comeback to that market. It's just dead. It's just dead. There's no there's no reason it will come back. But I'm going to show you this article from Forbes in 2013, an illustrated history of Bitcoin crashes, and that was in 2013. That was 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago from this date. We're today what? We're 6th of June. This was published on the 11th of April 2018. 2013 I mean. So you can see the time difference is really just 5 years and maybe a few months. Okay, 2 months. So I'm going to show you this illustrated history by this guy Timothy B. Lee. He published this article, and here we show firstly 8th of June 2011. You have peak price $32, price decline 68%. Okay, peak of the great Bitcoin bubble of 2011. Long bear market that bottomed out at $2 in November 2011. A total decline of 94%. Prices wouldn't return to this peak again until 2013. So look where, look how the time, okay, the timeline that it took to Bitcoin to come back to that peak price. 2 years, 2 consecutive years of a winter, a bear market. Okay, and people are complaining now that we're not even 6 months after this bubble that happened. Oh, Bitcoin is dead. You need to be thankful that you are not inside what happened in that time. Okay, if I told you in that time that Bitcoin is going to reach $20,000, you wouldn't care if there's a bear market. You would hodl. Okay, another incident, 17th of January 2012, $7.2 peak price, $0.20. Okay, peak price decline 36%. $2 in the fall of 2011. They recovered. Okay, the prices began recovering and ended up that year to $4.50 and rose up to $7.220 in early January. 16 and 17 prices plunged. Okay, $4.60 before settling around $6.25. Bitcoin prices would not regain their previous highs for another 6 months. Now let me just tell you something. I know that what we're reading right now is the history of Bitcoin's decline and crashes and all that stuff, but let me tell you something. If Bitcoin crashed in that time and you would have known that it would come back in this time, you would have hodled, right? Okay, and another thing I want to talk about most importantly, that Bitcoin also used to be a small project. Okay, there wasn't much market cap. Okay, and I understand that what happened in December, that much market cap, that much price, that we reached $20,000 or $19,000 and then reached the all-time lows about $6,000. I know that's a huge decline. That's more than double times decline. But you need to be hopeful, okay? I mean, I don't want to tell people, oh, go panic sell, or oh, you should exit crypto. You should have a plan B, but you shouldn't actually drop the whole hodl on cryptocurrencies. Okay, if there's a winter, you need to stay in that winter. You need to survive that winter. Okay, cryptocurrencies will always reach a peak at where there will be sick. Okay, and cryptocurrencies will dump. So you need to be actually patient. Okay, that's all it needs. 17th and 19th of August 2012. $15.25, price decline 51%, that's 50%. Okay, 1st of July and the 18th of August 2012, minutes taken, the price of Bitcoin fell from 15.25 to 10.50 dollars, reaching a low of about $7.50. The price didn't rise up above $15 again until the new year. So a lot of people actually saying that we're going to actually have a really bear market and we're going to reach $3,000. There's actually some rumors circulating around. I don't know if you're hanging on these Discord channels and servers. A lot of people are just not hopeful in cryptocurrencies. You know, once cryptocurrency pumps, everyone is happy. Once it dumps, everyone is sad. That's the sad reality of these people. And here are 2 other incidents, that you can read through the article links in the description. But matter of the way, I hodl cryptocurrencies. I trade cryptocurrencies. I mine cryptocurrencies. I do all that stuff. And in all these sides and in all these spaces where mining, investing, day trading, all that stuff, you're going to get affected. The miner is going to get affected by the price and difficulty. The investor going to get affected by the price or getting hacked. Like ICOs, you might get like affected by scammers. So there are actually risks in cryptocurrencies you need to actually bear in. This is why experts say don't invest in an amount that you're like not sad if you lose it, because if you lose the amount, which is really high risk, it's really high probability that you're going to lose that amount, then don't invest in cryptocurrencies or invest too little into cryptocurrencies. I started slow and low into cryptocurrencies and I slowly progress. Some people just like take loans and go invest in cryptocurrencies. That's what destroys people financially and socially and actually emotionally. This is why you have a lot of emotional traders. So any out of the way, is Bitcoin dead? No, it's not dead, guys. And if anyone says it's dead, just tell him, let's find the cure. That's all we need. We need to find the cure. If it's dead, it's permanent damage. But it's sick right now. Bitcoin is sick. Cryptocurrencies are sick. There's not much market cap. There's not much volume. There are not much things in cryptocurrencies that can now elevate the price up. There's a lot of people that are hopeful that keep saying Bitcoin is going to pump tomorrow. Bitcoin is going to $20,000 by the end of the year. There's actual videos like circulating, like they're not even a week old, talking about that stuff. So a lot of technical analysis and all that stuff suggests that we are not in a really bad position. But we should be hopeful and we should be patient and hodl for the people who invested at certain prices. For the miners, most miners don't even give anything about this dumps. They just mine, cash out, mine, cash out, mine, cash out. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think down below, and will you actually exit the cryptocurrency market, or are you going to hodl or trade or whatever this is? And I think I'm going to make a video in a few days about my trading strategy in these bear markets, if in a few days the bear market goes away. Anyways guys, thank you for watching, and it was Mark Luther with you on Bittruth the channel, and see you guys on the next video.